I think it's really gratifying at this point in our life that we look back. Now you have a whole design and architecture department with architect, you've got designer, certified designers, you got animators. You have leveraged technology. I mean, I think that alone, and I know that took us several years to develop and, you know, a lot of effort on your end. But I mean, how do you feel about that now? I mean, for you looking back on your stuff.
Well, it saved a lot of arguments, hiring, because I am not a detailed person, as you well know.
Yeah.
And
yes, I know that. You and I are so much different.
Well, yeah.
Anyway, go ahead.
And so by bringing in the detailed people and the organizational people, that help.